Hi guys, today I am going to show you the new Google Home Mini. Okay, now we can open this thing. Okay, I already opened this, so that sorry for that. Okay. This is a thing. Device. It has a micro USB for powering this system, and there is a mic on and off, and there is a touchpad on both sides for controlling this volume. Okay, now we can ask some questions. It's turned on. Now it is trying to connect with home Wi-Fi. Okay, it's turned on. Now we can ask any question. Okay, Google. Hi.
Hey there. Did you hear something?
Oh, it is so funny. Okay, and now we can ask to play music, and also we can check the sound quality. Okay, Google. Play Shape of You song.
Shape of You by Ed Sheeran. Sure. Playing on Ghana.
The club isn't the best place to find the lovers, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk slow. Come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand, stop it, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love.
Okay,
Your love
Google.
is handmade.
Stop. The sound quality of this little thing is very nice. I like its sound quality, and also it is very responsive at any noise in the room or at any volume. Now we can ask the weather. Okay, Google, what is the weather today?
The forecast for Kochi tonight is 27 with a thunderstorm. Right now, it's 31 with haze.
Okay, Google, what is time now?
The time is 6:03.
Okay, Google, read today headlines.
Here's the latest news. From headlines from BBC News at 5:46 p.m. today. The BBC.
NHS England is looking at contingency plans in hospital in case supplies of medicines are held up after Brexit. The Health Secretary Matt Hancock has confirmed there'll be measures to ensure vital drugs and equipment continue to get into the country.
Okay, Google, stop. On here there is a volume button on both sides of this device. There is no switch or anything, it is touch, and you can pause and play by long press.
And prioritization will include medicines and medical devices,
And also it has also a mic off and on.
The mic's off.
It's go red in color. When it's turned on,
The microphone is back on.
okay. This device is so simple and cute. I like this device very much, and it is very friendly to us. Okay, Google, bye.
I'll be here.